How to fix video chat not working during match on Badoo. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning if our video chat is not working on the Badoo app even after we've matched with somebody. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If the video chat is not working on Badoo during a match, it could be due to several reasons, including the other person's settings, your own internet connection, or issues with the app itself. So first, try restarting your device and also make sure that basically your Wi-Fi or your internet connection is working just fine. Go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure Badoo app is updated to the latest version. You can also long press the Badoo app icon, in this case on Android. Locate this little eye icon which is going to take us to the app info page. And from here we can simply scroll down to the storage tab, and from storage clear the cache files and clear the data. Now after that, you also want to go to the permissions tab from here and ensure that you've allowed the camera and the microphone permission, because without these permissions Badoo won't have access to your camera or microphone. As a result, won't be able to make video calls if it does not have access to those two settings. Now, if the other person has not approved of the video call request, then in that case also we will not be able to video call the other person. So being mindful of that, I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.